This morning, Airbnb CEO told investors that 60% of all new code at the company is now written by AI, start to finish. He then said something just as striking. One engineer using AI agents can now do the work that used to take a team of 20. That came from a Q1 earnings call this morning. The AI jobs reckoning is not approaching. It already happened. Engineers have always felt relatively safe in this conversation. Driving trucks, answering phones, reviewing documents, sure, but writing complex software requires systems thinking and creativity. The kind of work that machines were supposed to be decades away from. Airbnb just demonstrated otherwise. The market has been betting on exactly this moment. Cursor, an AI coding tool from a startup called Anisphere, raised $2 billion at a $50 billion valuation this year, with revenue growing 20 times in 13 months. That valuation only makes sense if investors believe AI is going to replace a significant chunk of what engineers currently do. Airbnb's 60% is not an outlier. Google, Microsoft, and Spotify have all reported similar figures internally at varying stages of AI adoption. The share of code written by humans at major tech companies is in structural decline, and the pace of that decline is accelerating. Coinbase laid off 700 people last week, 14% of its staff, and called it an AI-native restructuring. Snap cut 1,000 jobs in April, citing AI automation directly. Meta is eliminating 8,000 roles effective May 20th. Microsoft is offering buyouts to 7% of its American workforce. Across all of tech in 2026, more than 96,000 people have lost their jobs so far. And AI is cited more than any other reason. There is a counter-argument going around called AI washing, where companies attribute layoffs to AI as cover for cost cuts they were going to make anyway. But when 60% of new code is literally not written by humans, that argument gets harder to make. Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky put it plainly on the earnings call this morning. Read his exact words. Some engineers will come out of this better off. The ones who learn to direct AI agents effectively become dramatically more productive, a one-person team doing the work of 20, and those engineers still have jobs. But most engineering teams are not built around a single superstar. They are built around solid, competent mid-level engineers working in collaboration, and that is exactly the layer that is quietly disappearing. The honest advice for developers right now is to get into architecture and system design before that window closes, into the parts of the job that require judgment rather than keystrokes. The companies eating the mid-level engineering job market, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, the AI coding platforms, are being valued at tens of billions of dollars, precisely because they believe that layer is replaceable. The window to get ahead of this on your own terms is probably smaller than most people think. 60% of Airbnb's code written by AI, 700 Coinbase jobs gone, a $50 billion bet that engineering teams are optional. The trend is not subtle, and it is moving fast. Drop your take in the comments. Are you a developer, and what are you doing about this? That is your PatchLog. Subscribe so you do not miss what comes next.